Tom morning people, morning, quick thing. Here more show a clip for me where them just said come to my phone, call me like a WhatsApp group or something. So here me know. Nobody ask go too fast, me I tell the one go on. See? Me not like a WhatsApp group and about saying nothing to me now. All them too, man. Look on the two, it all started out. Yeah, look at it. Flatbridge them other day, you know. Flatbridge and two car managed to leak up a flatbridge. Seed Star. Oh, that for up because last time me go for Flatbridge, you make a little move, well, look for a cat here, instead, see? Oh, not too fast, no one know you go, no, you go. See? But me draft you look at earth, I go down the taxi thing, I just go down the car, we have a service. Yeah, that's how we roll. So yeah, same time now, we go so boom, I will reach Flatbridge, when me buck up in a stoplight. So me have to take the stoplight and wait. I wait on my turn, we drive go over, and I said to go there, come back, see? Alright. So now, me I pray the thing and I say, what happen if the stoplight out, you know? Oh, when I make a move, watch them two eat that. How that would happen? The stoplight out, we have to wait until we know if the first man come see a man, we know say a film time now for go through because the day before me. So if it two a we come up at the same time, we arrange a little thing, either me say I flash my light and make him come through. See, him will say to me say, you know, choose some little cum stick. I know already cum stick say. Alright, you can go through. But two idiot end up on the bridge that them are gonna lick up. Even if a broad night. If a middle night and you can't see nothing at all. You're supposed to come lick up on the bridge. Look there. Jesus have mercy. They can't believe them mother. Where the mother come from? Almost two by license people there. Yo, transport authority. Yo, license authority. Yo, police. You don't need to don't deal with them people and government. You don't see how people them stupid. Eh? You see how people them not. You know something? Family. I'm here, say family. Yo, popcorn, yeah, this. Yo, my God, yeah, people, yeah, lunchtime. I'm gonna start out some lunch, you know, 'cause I'm hungry. Yeah, but, hungry.